I don't have my mother anymore. She's there, but maybe that sounds really bad to say. I remember what she was like when she didn't have this disease. Everybody gets weaker as they get older, but not everybody loses their memory the way Alzheimer patients do. It's kind of heartbreaking. She's 87 years old, and she grew up in Brooklyn, New York, and she taught for many years, 25 years, New York City schools.
Okay, where we go?
So you're gonna go into your group now. Day-to-day life with her is she can remember anything from a long time ago.
I am a school teacher, yeah. I do special education, and some of the kids have a lot of problems, but I hug them and I take good care of them, and they love me.
She remembers her address from, like 40 years ago.
You ever been to Brooklyn?
I've never been there.
That's where I'm from. 915 East 17th Street, Brooklyn, New York.
That was where you grew up? Or
And
where the hospital you went?
11230.
But day to day, her memory is there is no memory.
So do you know what the date is today?
What the date is?
What the date is, yes.
I don't know.
Alzheimer's disease is at its core a disorder of inability to form new memories. People view it as just part of aging and something that has to happen. And I think that's really hampered our ability to get a cure.
I'm gonna ask you to walk in the hall a little bit. Can you do that for me?
With Dr. Wynn? Are you Dr. Wynn?
I am.
Yeah, I like you.
Well, thank you.
Where
Watch
should I
the door.
walk?
Alzheimer's disease, the other neurodegenerative diseases, are not just things that are happening to people. They're things that are happening to whole families. And we have to realize that. And I think that one of the things that the Ruvo Center is really good at is recognizing that. And it's because it was built from the bottom up by somebody who was a caregiver and saw what was happening, how the patient's condition really resulted in actual physical and mental conditions in the people around them.
I was a caregiver for many, many years to my husband, and I've always said that caregiving is a chronic condition.
The caregiver support services that we provide here, I think, are really crucial because our patients don't do well unless our caregivers are doing well.
The trajectory was taking her to the point that we would not be able to care for her in our home without the support of this center and all the services that we found out about. The physical therapists here, they're unbelievable.
She's around first base. Come on, let's go to second.
That's it. How about this one? Hard as you can.
They just know how to talk to her, and they try different things,
Roll it out.
and she responds to it.
Look at you. Excellent, excellent.
This is not a phony place. This is the real deal. This is not just a pretty environment. This is caring people working amazingly hard with diseases that are so devastating, and they work every day trying to help people and also trying to do research to find a cure. And I can't say enough about this place.
Guess where I grew up?
Brooklyn, New York.
Close, Long Island.
Long Island.
Yeah.
That's why I love him so much.
It's changed our lives, and I think it's changed Las Vegas too. I really think it's changed Las Vegas. And I'm so grateful for everybody here and everything they do.